This 15-minute injection stopped my 2-year tinnitus nightmare completely. If you've been told nothing can be done about your chronic tinnitus, you need to hear this. I'm Dr. Vishal Pathania, ENT specialist at Pathania ENT Clinic in Gurgaon. Intratympanic Steroid Therapy is a breakthrough treatment that delivers medicine directly to your inner ear, reducing inflammation and stopping that constant ringing. It's especially effective for tinnitus after sudden hearing loss, Meniere's disease, or when oral medications have failed. The procedure is done right in our clinic in just 15 minutes, with no hospital stay required. Most patients see improvement within 1 to 4 weeks. If you're suffering from persistent ear ringing, don't lose hope. Visit Pathania ENT Clinic in Gurgaon for a detailed evaluation and personalized treatment plan. Book your appointment today.